Thank you for watching, and in this video we are going to cover the surface tool. So first let's go and turn on the surface tool. As you can go into any of tab and then you can right click on it, and let's go into the tabs and then you can just click the surface. In that way you can just show your surfaces tab here. So let's go into the surfaces. As you can see, there are dozen of options. So what we can do is, like, we are not gonna cover all the options here in this video, but yes, like they work pretty similar like the normal tool. So let me explain how it works. Okay, so I have some sketches. So what I can do is I can go into the extruded surface, and then I need to select whatever the sketch I want to extrude. I can sketch this by using this arrow. I can just make the any direction wherever I want to sketch this surface, or if you want to hold this arrow, so you can go into this direction as well. And there are another options. As you can see, like it works into the regular extrude. You can extrude it blindly or up to vertex, up to next surface, or these kind of things. And even still, you have still the option, if you want to make a draft, you can make a draft. Or if you don't want to use these arrows, so there is a direction too as well. So you can just change the direction and how long you want to go into this direction. So these are the pretty similar options which we had in the regular extrude option. So then if you are okay with that, then you need to click the green check mark. So in this way, this is our surface which is following this sketch. Let's delete this. Sorry for distraction, but if you think my videos are helpful for you, or if you are a serious SolidWorks learner, I am gonna highly recommend you can go into the description of this video, where you can find my course link, in which I have over 10 hours of videos in which I explain each and every command in a detailed way. Thank you. Okay, let's go and into the swept surface. So as you know, in the regular tool of swept surface, what we need two. One is the profile and one is the path. So let's choose the profile. So this is my profile, and then I need to choose a path. So I'm gonna choose this sketch as a path. So what it's gonna do, it's gonna follow this profile and start creating a surface in the path of this sketch. So if you are okay, then click the green check mark. Look, okay, then let's go and check the revolve surface. So I can check this this sketch, and then what I can do is I need to select the axis of rotation. Then I can choose this axis, and then it's gonna draw the surface like a bowl. So I'm gonna click the green check mark. So you can see it's gonna just follow the axis of rotation and then rotate it around it. So in this way, you can see we have a nice bowl here. If you want to change it, so let's go into it again and then edit feature. This type, if you want to change your axis of rotation, suppose not this one, I want to change the axis of rotation around this one. So I'm just gonna go into the axis of rotation and change here. So in this way, we are gonna to make a small glass. So as you can see, still you have all those options which we had in the regular revolve feature. So you can revolve the blindly, or you can up to neck to vertex, up to surface, or those things. And then if you want to revolve 360 degree or less or whatever, so it's all the same option which are in the regular revolve. So I'm gonna click the green check mark. So you can see we have this small glass by using the surfaces. So as I already mentioned, like these tools work pretty similar like the regular one. As you can see, lofted, boundary surface, and all these tools, we already covered these in the previous video. So just the difference is, by using surfaces tool, it's not gonna create the solid body, it's just gonna create a thin surface. So this is the difference. And that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. And if you are a serious SolidWorks learner, then don't forget to check the course link in the description. Thank you.